Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy with another signal. Today's signal is going to be on gold, aka XAUUSD, and without any more time to waste, let's go to our calendar and see what do we have. Currently what I'm seeing is that with the overall look that is actually obvious here, the seller side for now is much more stronger than the buyer side. It's not actually that stronger, but it has taken some negative points in the current weekend. So we can forecast that the price might actually experience a downfall. And when I look at the news, the overall look is saying that the price is going to experience a bullish form in its way too. But today's signal is going to be a sell signal, but this is not enough. So as always, let's go to our chart and see what do we have there. So now that we are here, we are on XAUUSD on daily time frame, and what I'm seeing here right now is that the price is actually now in an uptrend and it is moving to the upside. But when we look closer a little bit, our MACD is currently showing that the price is experiencing a bearish bubble. So I'm seeing this. The price has moved up to the upside, but our MACD lines are showing a move to the downside. And this might actually be a signal that the price is weakening its trend. And the trend, actually the bullish trend to the upside, is a little bit weak now. But there is still a strong support under the price and it might move up. And you can wait for more confirmation in order to enter a sell position. So what I see here is that I'm seeing that there is actually a support under the price right here that is currently pushing the price to the upside. But if we are going to be fair, our MACD cloud is showing a move to the downside. So this is another good signal that the price is weakening its bullish trend to the upside, and it might eventually after a while fall down and break down below these levels so it can move a little bit more to the downside. The overall look that I'm having right now, that if we are going to have a position, a sell position, we are forced to put our stop loss here if the price breaks below these levels and before it makes a new high. So we're forced now to put our stop loss right here. But what about our TPs? What I'm seeing in the price market is that the price has moved up recently, and this move is a little bit too strong, and there is going to be a problem with this area of the price that I'm seeing right now. The combination of these two lows are showing us that there is actually a really strong support here. So what I guess is that the price might move again to the upside when it reaches this area, or it might break it and tear it through and keep going to the downside. But what I'm saying is that, as always, I'm showing you the area. It's up to you when to enter a trade. If it was me, I just would want the price to come a little bit more down and tear this area, and then I would enter a trade, enter a selling position, so it would be better for me. And what I'm actually seeing, that the price is having a support right here, and as always, you can sit tight and enjoy the video so I can make it a little bit more beautiful for you. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, what I recommend is that you wait for the price to tear all the supports below it so it can fall a little bit more easier and you don't get stopped out. And at the end, I just wanted to say something. Success in trading means having the guts to take the risk and the discipline to manage it. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.